Roll. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Just let me know so we can. Everyone can hear me, right? Anyone can confirm in a comment. Just confirm me. So directly. Yeah. Hi. Good evening. So you all can hear me, right? Just confirm me once. For today, we'll see how we can develop end-to-end product or any kind of thing using AI. For that, what I'm going to explain. And okay, great. And in coming classes, I'll take more and more use cases. But today I'll tell you the basics, how to connect all those things, how to think in that way, and how to build. And whatever you can think, we can do with the help of AI. So that all I'm going to discuss. And this won't be a just like first or end live classes. In this particular series, I'm going to add more and more live classes with real product that we can discuss. So you can also see okay how things can be developed. So let me share my screen as well. Okay. So just confirm me once. My screen is visible to you, right? Everyone can see my screen. Just I can start directly. Fine, guys. So like I told today, what we'll see, we are going to see how we can connect what kind of things we needed to do any kind of uh, AI development using AI itself. Okay. So right now here, if you can see, this is something that I built again entire using AI. All the just prompt, nothing more than that. Along with that, if I'll show you in my GitHub, there are so many things that is already live. You all can go, you can all can check. So if you go over here, just yes. So if you are going over here, you can see so many things I have already pushed in my GitHub, and these everything is being pushed with the help of AI first. Even each and everything that I have created, this again being created with the help of AI itself. So there are so many things of course over here, but today this is what we are going to discuss. And the best part, like, there is a challenge. Yes, everything we can build locally, but how to show the world, right? So I'll tell you some hack as well that you can see. And so for an example, let me show you here this one, right? This one is live. Like, if anyone wanted to test and try, let me share the link with you as well, and you all will able to test and try. Okay. And right now I'm paying nothing. Like, what I'm paying, I'm paying zero cost, right? So yeah, so all these things we are also going to understand how we can do these things. Not only this, if I'll show you, where is, let me just go back. So this is in one link, this is another link. Here you can see. All right, for the major challenges, we do have a Euron API in our system. If I'll take you over here, you all know, right? We have Euron API in our system, so we'll go Yuri AI gateway, and we all get each and every day 2 lakhs of tokens, right? And we are not able to use, most probably, most of us, because there is no such thing that directly we can connect. Or of course we do have chat interface also, there we can use, but building our own and then tweaking the way that we want it, that's more cool, right? So here we have APIs keys. If I'll just create and I'll take API key over here. mm, Live, it's, let me create, let me copy, come back over here, and all I can see, just copy and paste. And the best part, you can see it's not visible to anyone, right? Of course I'll delete, but you can see I can do like this. And I created on my own, like, just we have given a prompt, we do not want to show our APIs keys, and you are able to see. Now we can choose any model that is available inside our, where, inside our Euron. So here, if you will able to see, we have so many models already available, these models, so we can test and try over here. Okay, so now if I'll go send a message, what is artificial intelligence, explain in 3 sentences, and it, yeah. So now you can see we got a response. Artificial intelligence refers to this simulations of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. Its primary goal is to enable computers to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities, such as problem solving, understanding language, and all these things, right? And if I'll just change the model, let me change the model. Let me change this, the smart one. Let me again send a message. Hey, what is artificial intelligence? Tell me in one line. So the concept is not that, what I'm not showing you here, okay, how this model is responding. The concept I'm showing you, we have created our own interface. This is live also, right? If you can see, this is live, and anyone can test and try. For this is what we are going to learn also today. Artificial is the creation of smart machines that can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Okay, great. So let me ask itself, can you provide me, so give me a image generation prompt for above, and you will able to see it is going to give me a prompt. And meanwhile, if I'll show you here, let me come to my dashboard. So it was somewhere around 186, 188 tokens, and now how much we have left? This one, right? So we are consuming in a real time. You all are able to see, right? Yeah. So let me take you here, and assistant, let me send a message again. So it's just processing. And not only chat model, I'll show you, I attach the image generation as well. Okay, it's why it's creating an issue. System prompt, give a image generation prompt. Okay, let me take you an image generation, let me correct directly. So here you can see, right now we have Gemini 3 Pro image model inside our Euron itself. You go here in endpoint, here we can see generate images. So we can generate image as well with the help of single prompt. Okay, So like I told you, the idea is how we can create such system, right? And then how we can push it to our GitHub and how we can make it live as well. Today I'll not show you how we can live and deploy in cloud. That also I did. So if you see over here, so here you can see, first of all, we got the image. So if you can see this one, quota.hit.com, this is deployed live on cloud, technically Vercel. So that also I'll tell you in my upcoming live streams. But today this again, it is live to test. So if you wanted to show someone, if you wanted to test anyone, even your interviewer also, you can show that, right? So if I'll show you, yeah, ca- are we able to see the kind of images it is able to generate? And let me do something more cool. Hey, so I want you to generate. Hey, so I want you to generate a realistic image where so many students are studying with dinosaurs, and the artificial intelligence, just they are like getting some water from river. I want ultra realistic image for this. Okay, and now let's click on generate image. So right now, if you have seen over here, I am not using typing anymore now. We all need to use as much as possible voice chat, because that is what it is going to save you a lot of time. And we are going to give a lot of prompts. In that case, it is very important to not write everything on your own. Try to use as much as ho ho. So yeah, are we able to see, right? They all are drinking water and all, doing these things, robots, dinosaurs. So it is able to generate the image. So the concept is how this is doing. So we have added our API key, right? And we have connected with our Yuri API key. It's going over there. It's taking all, like, via post method. It is going there, and then it is generating all the images, text, chat, each and everything. Plus one more thing, we have this one, right? I showed you as well. So if you can see here, we can test Yuri, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. So we can connect Yuri, that is free for your own community, right? So you can connect. But if you have your own OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, Open Router, these all things you can connect on your own, and you can test model in a real time, how performing these model are. So for example, let's test this, right? Just come over here, test, and click over here, and you will able to see. Let me run Arena. So you will able to see one or more of the vast key has been changed. Fine. So it's not responding with this. Okay, so this is a, server problem. It's not our problem. But here we can see GPT 4.1 Nano. The best part here, we are able to see the latency, token per second, and tokens, because these things matter, right? We need less and less latency so it can respond as fast as possible. So here you can see it's in millisecond. All these things in millisecond, right? Like the latency very very low, then tokens used and everything. So you can see, you can compare in a real time. Not only this, there are few things also. Write a JavaScript function that finds a longest palindromic substring in a given string, include comments. So we can run and we'll able to see. Okay, so we got a response. You can see llama 3.18b, then it's given by this one, nano, and yeah, then this one, grok. So are we able to see like how this is responding? And the best part, these all interface is being just built within 45 minutes or 1 hour max to max, right? The kind of interface that we are able to compare. I can add more APIs keys if I wanted, and yeah, we'll able to test that also. So let me add my cloud API key as well for now, so I can show you. Test. And guys, let me know what are you building. So right now I'm not, yeah. So right now just I'm going to show you. I'm just showing you output, and then I'll show you how I have built these things. So if you can see, this is a AI model arena, right? Where you can compare all the models that is available. Second, here a Yuri API tester where you can generate emails, test chat, each and everything. And third, all these things is being deployed in proper structure format in GitHub. So whenever you are going to show the world, especially when it comes about your resume, or even if for testing purpose, how you will show to the world, how you can push each and everything to GitHub. And you can see we do have proper read.me file, we have all these HTML file. So everything I didn't came over here and I did, like, manually or something. Everything is being done in so structure format using AI itself. So that's what I'll show you as well. And before that, I'll tell you which model we all can use, what we can use. Apart from that, what exactly matters, because there are a lot more things in the market. And it's very important to understand which things need to use, which things not. All right, so it seems I need to fix this as well, because I added the API's keys. Let me refresh. So I'll tell you which, how much you need to pay also, right? Okay, it's already fixed. So let me use Claude Sonnet. And now if I run, let me do something this. Yeah, so GPT 4.9 is super fast, but always super fast, it's not mean the better result, because we need something which is authentic and workable, right? So here you can see we got the code. Here we also got the code. Hmm. Okay, and we can test and try as well. Reasoning, creativity, write a 6 word story that makes. Fine, guys. So I'm just able to show you this thing is being built. Now let me take you how we can build any kind of system, because these are just the basic that we need to understand. And what things important, how you can use all these things, where you can build, and what you need, how much minimum money that you need to invest, because that is also important, right? So right now everything is being built with the help of either Cursor or either Visual Code Studio. So for you, I'll tell you what is best for now. So you do not need to spend a lot. So we can, yeah, we can start with it at as low as cost $20, nothing more than that. So you all can start with doing something, right? You know, at least creating something your own without paying anything a lot. So even if you will able to see the entire workflow is being built with the help of AI, and it is live also. If you go in my LinkedIn, so you will able to see this kind of workflow that I'll also come in coming time. I'll explain more and more. Okay, so if you will able to see, this is an interface. Everyone knows Visual Code Studio. To work with AI, we can download either Visual Code Studio or Cursor or Anti Gravity. Okay, plus we need Claude Desktop. That all we need. Now if you say which is best in the market, what is best, okay, so there is even open, there is Codex also. So you can have Codex as well if you have Chat GPT subscription. In that case, there you can also test and try. Fine. Anti-gravity also gives few things at free of cost. There you can also test and try. But if we wanted to work in actual way initially, which is kind of end-to-end usable as well. So my suggestion, we can go directly with Claude initially. And yeah, that's how we can use. Fine. So right now, do not need to install each and everything. Just we need Visual Code Studio, final verdict. Okay. So yeah, we just need Visual Code Studio, that is free of cost. Just go in your Chrome browser, search here, download Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can go, you can download. If you have Windows, if you have Mac, Linux, whatever you have, you just download, set up, install, and then open it. Okay, that is free of cost. Once this is done, so right now you are able to see, once I click here or I click over here, so you can see we have Claude over here. So how we can connect? So whenever you will come, this will be totally blank. So let me even open for you again. Let me reopen. So how it looks like. Okay, so even once you will open, you do not have anything over here. You can click over in file, click open folder, and we can add any kind of file that we wanted. Simply just click open, and you will able to see all the file that's there. Initially you might have you do not have any file. Right now I created so many things, that the reason you are able to see so many file in my left bar. So over here you can see, if you all are aware about Visual Studio Code, so here everything is being your file, your code, that you can see. Most of the time we do not need to read all these things, we do not need to see, but yeah, just to being in structured, it is very very important, because we are going to push it to GitHub also, we are going to deploy as well, we are going to make it live. So it's very important to make it very very structured. So there are two methods. Either you create all the folders, so from here you can see we can add file and we can add folder also, or whenever we are doing any new task. So for an example, here you can see I have structured n18 fine, then inside that I have dot plot over here, so dot context, each and everything that I'm talking to this particular system. Then I have Angelina AI system, then inside that I have so many files, right? If I have client, added different folder, if I have all these things. So the idea is we need proper structure folder, so you and your AI both can understand in a better way. Okay, so that either we can do manually, or either we can do with the help of AI. Fine. Now what we need, so once you click over here you can see we have extension. Click over here, search Cloud Code, this one. So we'll search Cloud Code, CLAUD, Cloud Code. Okay, just click Cloud Code. Here you will able to see, okay, verified already. This one we need to download. I already downloaded, that's why it is showing like this. Okay, are we clear till here? So yeah, we need Cloud Code. Once this is done, then what we need, whenever you will send any kind of message, it is going to ask to log in. Fine. So if I'll show you Claude, mm, fine. So let me now close this also, come over here, let me do this. Yes, so once you say, right now it's already connected, so let me log out as well for you. So like this. Okay, so if you have not connected your account, what it is going to ask, it is going to ask to connect either Claude.ai subscription or Anthropic console or these things, Bedrock, Foundry, or Vertex. So for us, two methods are there: Claude.ai, Anthropic console. What is Anthropic console? Basically, this is something that we can do with the help of API, and that is not recommended, because once you are going to add account through Anthropic console, what you need, first of all, you need account. Okay, where Anthropic API, once you go over here, so yeah, so can you see like this? So this is where you need your account to connect with that, with this one, with Anthropic console. But the challenge is, if I'll show you my billings over here, right now it's $30. When I first downloaded, I added $20 something just to test and try, because I didn't have Claude subscription that now, so I don't want it to waste $20 on Claude. So I thought, okay, let me add $20 over year. And then, because once you are going to connect with API, it means you are paying based on your uses, how much you will use, how much those things will happen. Okay. So that's how I also thought, okay, why to pay $20 to cloud subscription? Instead, let's pay it and I'll use how much I wanted to use, right? But the catch is I paid $20 and then I added, and you guys won't believe that got consumed within somewhere around 2 and 3 hours, 4 hours, right? Because it cost a lot when you are going through API. Even just previously, I used over OpenClaw as well. There also we paid, like I paid $100, because once you add through API, na, it has so much, like you will feel it can do everything, and once you feel it can do everything, you are going to ask it to do everything. Okay, you will ask, okay, hey, just go and connect with my GitHub, hey, just do this, do that, all those things, and it is going to run each and every task based on your command, and you will end up losing lot of credits, lot of money. So not recommended, not recommended for anyone, at least this method. Fine. So we are not going to add over here $20, because we can go, we can pay as go. What we'll do, we are going to use Claude.api, Claude.ai subscriptions. What does it mean? Once I'll click over here, okay, we can copy this particular URL, or we can open as well. So if you have this Claude.ai subscription, okay, you can authorize, and they are going to give you, okay, you all are set. That's all you need. I already have Claude subscription. That's the reason I'm able to open. And now here again, you can see I'm back with my same things. Now I can say, hey. So you can see that's how the interface looks like. But before that, I'll tell you how you can do that. Now, to get a Claude subscription, what do you need now? You need Claude Desktop, which you can download again. Okay, Claude Desktop. So let me go here, just search Claude Desktop. Okay, and just download. That's all you need. So once we have downloaded this Claude Desktop, after that, just open this. You can see Mac window anywhere, and let me take you the pricing. So once you open, you can see pricing, team plan overview. Yeah. So once you have downloaded, so it looks like something this. Fine. Right now we all are able to see I have max plan. Max plan cost us how much? I'll show you how much. Once I'll go in setting, here you can see account, and here we can go, and along with that, here we can see usage as well. So here you are able to see how much I'm using on a daily basis. That's fine. So if I'll show you the plan, here you can see we have free plan, $0, not worth, nothing. Like you will even do not think to download and use free. Just in 1 2 3 prompt, that is going to expire. So not recommended. Anyway, it's not recommended. If you wanted to use for free only, even download anti-gravity and do that, experiment it. Because right now, whether it is cursor, visual code, and anti-gravity, the method that I'm going to tell you, you can use any platform. Okay. So then what we need, do I need to pay $100 like you are paying? No, you do not need to pay $100. Then just pay $17. It's $17 because it's monthly. If I'll take where it is uh, 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 individual, so they are charging you $17, because where is the method? Explore here. So once you are going to pay them monthly basis, they will charge $20. Already I have plan, so that's the reason. Okay. So they will charge $20 into 18% GST if you are in India, and if you are in outer world, then in that case, of course, VAT. So somewhere around we need to pay $23. Okay, how much? 23 USD. And if you will connect in INR, 2000 rupees. Yeah, that's all. That's all you need to pay. And once you paid it, now you can start using the best part. You can use these chat windows desktop. Okay, so Whenever you have to plan, you have to create a content for your social media. So many things are there that we can do. We can design, we can brainstorm. Then where we can also going to use this particular chat method, we can create a project. So yeah, the benefit of taking subscription is we can use this particular chat interface to ask each and everything. And second, we can use inside our Visual Studio Code or inside Cursor or inside Anti-Gravity, anywhere, the same plan. Fine, guys. And the best part, so the same method you have to connect your Cloud Code. Once it is connected, then that's done. Then you come over here, click over here, and you will able to see new chat interface. That's all. If you have downloaded this particular extension, fine. And once you click over here, so let me give you a bit explanation how this thing works, and then we can directly start. Okay, how I created those things and how you can prompt, how you can command, what the basic thing that is important, that is needed. So if you come over here, that's how the interface looks like. Okay, so click over here. Here you can see you can switch model, whatever model you want. So right now in the market, currently in 2026 Fab, we have Opus 4.6, which is most capable, most best model, but it is going to consume a lot of credit as compared to other as well. Recommendation, of course, we need to use Opus if we are creating something uh, industry driven or enterprise level, or a product that we need to test and try. Okay, because this will take less, this will create a best product that you want in less time, plus more smarter. Then we have Sonnet, that is also best. So if you are doing brainstorming, switch model. And if you are asking very very few questions like, hey, how to teach these classes, how to do all those things, do not use this. You can use Haiku, that's fine. But mostly for development, we will use Opus 4.5 4.6 for a better result. Now what will happen? So right now here you can see account and uses. So here you will able to see. So this is the beauty of this particular Cloud Code. What will happen? It is going to reset in every 5 hours. So it has a daily limit in every single 5 hours, and it has weekly limit also. So right now you can see I have used 17% of my weekly limit, and right now it's zero because it got reset. So it is 0% as of now, which is going to reset in next 5 hours. Okay, so this is what you can see then and there. So once you have pro version, it is going to uh consume lot more initially, but that's fine, that's fine. You can wait 5 hours, just do few things. And why I have taken max, reason because I'm doing so many things simultaneous. Even I have cursor subscriptions also, right? And even someone who is joining Euron work and learn, and you guys are a part of, if Euron, you are also going to get some subscriptions. So yeah, at work and learn play people, we are going to provide Cloud Pro and Cursor Pro subscriptions also, so people can test and try. That what we also do. Okay. Now over here, if you will able to see now, so I have this particular limit, and it is going to reset in every single 5 hours. So once you start with this subscription, you will able to see ki how frequently you are able to exhaust. Test it for 2 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days. Once this is tested, then only, if you think and if you have money, if you can upgrade and if you can make money with the help of that, just go upgrade max also. But initially, pro is enough for so many people, more than 90% of people. Fine, $20, that's all. Fine, guys. So are we clear till here, till now? Okay, I'm able to explain what I wanted to say. So this is a kind of interface ID, you can say, right? That we are using to run this particular Cloud Code. Now someone will tell, can't we run locally? Yes, we can run locally also. You can go and you can install with the help of your terminal also. But in that case, we need to work a bit more hectic way. That's not too much hectic, but still. So the better way, use these kind of things, easy to install, easy to test and try, and do all these things. Okay, we have to eliminate and we have to reduce the learning curve and all those things, because when we can build things, why to learn so many things? Learn with building. Whatever the issues that we are facing, or whatever the challenges we are getting, we can do along with that, right? Yes. Now, what? Now you will able to see, uh, once I'll come over here, this is what I was talking about. So AI is all about how much context it is having. Okay, how much context it is having. The more and more context it is having, it is going to give you the better result. Or else you can start random anything. Okay, you can start random anything and it is going to start giving, it is thinking on its own. So there are some output that we need. For the more and more we have given an input before that, it is going to, so even, hey Dhruv, let me quickly check the context file. So can you see it is checking my context file. It has whole idea that what I'm doing in my entire life with using AI. Fine. So this is not only about this. This is about any kind of AI. Every single AI is having proper. So you can see also it has given all the context about what I'm doing, how I'm doing, how many client I'm working with, what I did. So that kind of things before starting, I want everyone to give a prompt and ask it to create a dot context file, okay, or context. So every single time whenever I do anything, update that context, update that context. Or if it is already available, if it is already available, update. If not, then add one more file, md file. Can you see? So if I'll show you here, you can click. Now this is something. So here we have our chat interface and here we have output. So you can see last update 2026 215. Even today it's updated. Important. This is a master context file. Read this first in every session. This file captures everything: client, pipeline, priorities, decision, budgets, technical states, and all and all and all. Each and everything. So we all have heard about skills, right? Cloud skills, these skills, that skills, AI skills. That what also we need to add over here inside the context in MD file. Okay, inside the MD file. So so it has proper idea not only about you, but it must also have an idea what it has to do on its own. Okay, so we need to set skills also each and every time. Okay, this is what you can do, this is how you have to think, this is how you have to perform whenever I'm going to ask. For an example, if I'll come and I'll ask this particular AI to generate a website. Now it will generate a website, but it will ask you 100 questions and it is going to do on its own. But we know we need to use CSS, Talwin, we need to use for product development Python, we need to use this, that, those things we can define as well. So we need to use context file, and for that I have some folder as well which I'll share with you guys. All right, so if you see over here, so we can have all type of context which is especially for Claude, which we can use each and every time. So it has proper idea how to work, how to do those things, how to develop things. Okay, either you can create, ask Claude also to search entire internet, GitHub and everything, and it can also generate some skills for you, because there are already skills available in the market. Or what we can do, we can directly add from here as well. Even this something I have taken from uh, YouTube as well, right? So the better way is to save a lot of money and token. Keep in mind, the more and more context AI is having, the less time it will consume. When it will consume the, plus not only less time, it is going to give you the best output as well, the best and best output. Fine. So if something available in the market, use that. Ask it to, okay, use this particular context. So every single time whenever it is going to do anything, yeah, it has proper idea. So if I'll show you now, I can add this particular context as well. Okay, so dot Claude, and I can go here and I can just like this. This is all we need. Okay, this is all we need. And now I can ask, can you check Claude1.md? I edit. Even you can do this also at the rate, and that's how you can also search all the file like this, and you can tag instead of doing it manually. Oh, can you check this file, Claude? Let me know what you understand. Okay, so now it has proper idea, and I'll show you. See, so few more parts which we could have tell again and again. It now knows, right? And it started thinking that's how it works. Yeah. So can you see what is this? This is an agent instructor file for Claude Skills demo project, a sophisticated automation framework built on top of Claude Code. It's not one of your active projects. Code type, okay, that's fine. Core art is three layer skills, orchestrations, shared utilities, skills included, scrap leads. See, it has proper skills and all those things, and that what it needed to understand how these things works and all. So we might take why this matters to you. This looks like a reference architecture you are studying for or someone shared with you, a template you could adapt for client work like the this. Okay, prioritize skill system questions. Are you thinking of implementing this architecture? So now I can tell. So I have more multiple skills or claude.md file. What I'll do, I'll give you all those files. So what you can do whenever we are doing such same work, I think we can use this context. How does that sounds to you? We can use these skills. Yeah, and so we can use every single time. And how does that sounds to you? So right now, guys, if you are able to see, just I'm using this particular my. So I'm using Mac. So I have function key which I can just tap, and I can use to write anything using my voice. And I recommend again everyone, do not write manually anything, just use voice. Okay, love it. This is exactly the right move. Here's how we should set up the plan. Claude, build your skills library. You give me, okay, all your claude.md file skills, index them in your memory system so I always know what's available. Auto reference, reuse, proven pattern. This is basically productize your knowledge so we move faster on every project. How to organize this option? Central skill trust folder. Create a master folder in your memory. Okay, so you can see it is also recommending. And if I'm not able to do it, I'll ask AI to do it. Simple. For the more thing I'll ask AI to do it, the more it is going to consume each and everything, the token. So better you do if you know. If not, then of course, like use AI. Fine. Option two, add to existing memory, or we add a new section to memory.md. Right. So here you can see already I have. mm, so here we have all the context over here, and I'll just show you in front of you. I'll ask it to change this thing. Okay, and then add inside over here. Okay, inside the context, reusable skills library, lead generations and all, email fund. What I'll do with these files, when you give me all the Claude MD files and skills, read and index each one, extract key patterns, create a master index with skills name. So can you see it is going to structure on its own? Just we need to give it example. You say build a lead scrapping workflow. I check the skills. I read the skills, move to 5x faster. Next step, share all the files, drop them here. Okay, and here's how should we do it. Okay, so you just paste all the files, pass here. I read and index them now. You copy all the files in folder. I scan, organize something else. Fine. So now let me, okay, just wait. So now we, guys, so now we started working with AI, right? That's how it looks like. Just wait and let me add more file. Then we can restructure inside context or memory. or memory wherever you wanted under cloud skills, and we can use whenever needed. Okay, so just I asked it to wait. Now what I'll do, I'll add one by one file, then I ask it to restructure in front of you. So let me go again over here. So you can see we have all these skills. Can you see all these skills? So many skills it is having. So what I can do, I can go back all of my code skills. I can click here. I can download. It will take few seconds. So once this is downloaded, I will give all the file. You will able to see. So how to interact with AI with your folders and with the file, because this is very, very important, right? And that's how I work with AI. And that's what you are learning in a real time. Till here, all you need $20 investment if you want to build something productive or something useful. Any question till here? If you guys, so we are zipping the file, and the same way you also do not do a lot more things on your own. So AI is something, it now you got the power of AI. Okay, now you can ask it to do 100 tasks. You might can say okay, just go and take a tea, like make a tea, fine. Then once AI made a tea, you can ask okay, I want you to stay here in front of me and make this tea inside my mouth, or like I just want you to do everything. What it will do, it can do, but it will cost you more, because few things you can do, few things AI can do, like coding, managing all those things. So the best part, all you need, whatever you can do, right? Adding folder, prompting a bit and more. Do not ask AI to do all those things. Otherwise, it will charge you lot and lot. Work with AI. Okay. So we all have to see, all have to learn to work with AI. That's all. In that case, you can save you a lot of cost, lot of token. And okay, so the file is ready. It's downloaded. Oh, it's big. It's big because it has also so many skills, I think. But let's see. And I'll show you in front of you how we can structure it in our own. Okay, then how we can make it live in our GitHub as well. So it's downloaded. Let me double click. It's done. And if I'll get an info, almost 250 MB file, a big file, right? So yes, your Claude might get like stuck also. So what you can do, you just go and download one by one. Okay, one by one. Let me take you again in the, now let me do one thing. Let me drag and drop this folder. So that's how we can drag and drop directly from here, or you can add file as well inside it, or you can copy. So let me add here inside the Claude. Okay, fine. Now, hey, I added all of one more folder under dot Claude, all of my Claude skills. What I want, those files seems big. For now, let's do one thing. You scan names, so we have idea what we have, what we don't. Then uh if all these, then make it relevant for us and update those files in our dot context. So what we are doing, we are trying to give it a power. Okay, if you all are able to see in our dot context file from the name of dot cloud skills or something, every single file, then we can delete existing one. So it is structured. Plus what I want, later we will push to GitHub as well. But firstly do first task. Okay, now if you all are able to see what I did, now I asked it and you will all able to see it is going to understand everything that I have added. Even I don't know how many skills it is having. So are we able to see it is asking? Just allow. Okay, so here you are able to see it is just taking access. Perfect. Here's what we have. Agent 4 skills total. Hmm. What I'll do now. So it is scanned each and everything from here. Restructure for your use. What I'll do now, filter what's relevant for you work and attend sales automation, skip what's not YouTube video that move to context dot. Okay, create master index, delete the original dot cloud folder after question which skills do you actually know. Let's do one thing. Let's yes, for now let's move everything so we can use later, right, whenever anything needed. And then let's push all in my GitHub. Don't skip or delete anything. Let's keep all. If anything seems suspicious, then only or keep everything. Fine guys, so you will able to see it will move each and everything from here. Just we need to allow to new file. Okay, so right now are we able to see just it created automatic new folder? And yeah, here you can see. Okay, are we able to see step by step for YouTube executions prompts? It is going to add each and everything. So that's the beauty, right? Before that, even it was hard to format each and everything. Now it can do anything. So you can see it is adding all these things. It's updating, and you will say able to see in front of me that okay, perfect. Now let me create the index.md. So you will able to see it will add one more index.md file, and then it is going to push in my GitHub as well. And then of course after it I'll show you how you can connect with your GitHub. So now you have all the idea how these things works and how you have to make it work, because from next time whenever I'll add more and more project or anything, you will able to create with me, right? You will not confused. Any questions? Anyone? So AI is doing our task. We are just structuring our data, and I'm showing you also, so you can see how I created all these things. So to make AI work for you, it must have proper memory, proper context, proper how things works in your case. Then only you will able to make it work. Otherwise, what will happen? Otherwise, you have to give a lot of prompt, and that I do not believe to do, because now everything we can keep. Now you can see perfect. Now let's push to GitHub. First let me check your automation repo. So the best part, file are stacked. Now let's commit and push. The best part, if already those file exist, it is going to update. If not, then it will create new file, and then it's going to update. So yeah, that's how vibe coding looks like, guys, right? That's how AI is working for you in a real time. And right now I'm keeping everything under NA10. The name we can choose anything, that's fine. But the main part, all the different folder and file inside it, so I can work simultaneous with all without losing context. So even if I'm going to open new chat as well, what it will do, it has proper context. Hmm. Now you will able to see it is going to clean this also. It will clean this. So it has pushed. Now in GitHub, clean up the original folder, and let me show you. Perfect. Now let me update your memory to document this. Read dot memory. Read memory dot md. Hmm. So are we able to see? Unable to resolve it. Okay, fine. Here if you will able to see, it has cleared each and everything. And yeah, so here we got the best part, right? So here you can see Claude, and now we have everything over here, all the file, all the context that we need, we skills each and everything, and it has cleared from here. Can we see everything is clear? And if I'll ask, can you delete that all my Claude skills folder to from dot Claude, and just keep one common or main skills that commonly we will be using to, which can help Claude every time, right? Like it can make my Claude or my AI super AI. So now what I'm asking, I'll asking delete this. Plus I'm asking it create one more common kind of file also. So it has context each and every time. Yes. Yes. Raki, we can use the same way that I have explained over here. If you have watched my this particular video from starting, so if you have seen, we have went over here and then we have downloaded extension, right? The same way we can open cursor, use free model. You can pay cursor also, but again, it's not worth it initially for anyone until you are going to take, some max or pro or ultra, and once you are getting some work or project, then only take. So if you go over here you can see also Claude code for VS code. The same way we can download the Claude code as well. So once you have downloaded, okay, we can just open and we can use. All right, here it is. So where it is? Run. Find the same way we are using. So this is a cursor interface right now. And if you see, I have ultra plan in cursor as well. Okay, if I'll show you here, ultra plan, but do not get confused, guys. See, you do not need ultra or anything. Just do not say yourself, "Okay, I cannot afford ultra and all. How I'll do?" No, you can do it with pro. Why you need ultra? So just go download the extension over here, and once you have downloaded, just open and use. Okay, where extensions. Mm-mm. Somewhere was the option also to open cloud code inside the, but the method is same for all cloud code. Okay, fine. Here we got. So okay, so now are you able to see the same cloud code interface we got here as well? So not only in VS Code, you can use anti gravity also. And my recommendation, go with anti gravity. Use cursor only if you are going to pay cursor. Otherwise, like leave it. At least initially for testing and for building purpose, because that's how I also started. And cursors cost so much credit, that what I have seen. It is also good, of course, but not recommended for beginners initially. If you can pay, then of course use. Then there is no doubt, use cursor and cloud code. Right now everything I'm building, mostly I'm using cloud code and then cursor. And even inside cursor also, we are going to use the same model. So if I'll show you the chat interface. Mhm. But yeah, a little bit more better. The cursor is more better because it is dedicatedly being created for developers. So yeah, they have more options. But here you will if also able to see the same interface, same way we had to connect with our pro plan. Do not use API initially, otherwise you will end up losing lot of money. Not recommended. And yes, we can do that. And here if you will able to see, so this is particular cloud code ID, right? And if I'll show you here, so see what it is. It is same having Opus 4.6, Opus 4.5, GPT 5.3. For the only benefit, you can get few more models, but in 99% cases, this is perfect Opus. For that the reason, even inside it, we are going to use it. Then why to use this cursor? Do not pay initially. Once you pay for, uh, you know, this particular Cloud Code, the best part, we are getting Cloud Code desktop also to test and try. Plus, we are getting this as well. Now, here we are able to see it's created one more Cloud.md, Cloud.md, and it deleted. And now here, if I'll show you, so guys, this is how we all have to use AI. Okay, what happened? My screen got unshared. Fine. For all I wanted to say, this is how you all have to use AI. Give it as much as more and more context that you can, so it can understand properly. Share screen window. Yeah. Hmm. Now this is more cool. Okay. Sometime also need to learn these things. See, I'm just using this stream just first time stream yard, but now I'll be used to. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. So like, see how cool this is. I don't know how to update those files. I do not know how to structure those files. Fine, I do not care. Why? Because I have AI. Just I need money to pay. That's all. Okay. So Droop's AI super agent, Claude code instructions. So the best part, it has converted, and you can drag and drop like this. Okay, like this. So Droop's AI super agent, Claude code instructions. The file make Claude code aware of all available skills and patterns in this project. Core principles reuse before rebuild. Before writing any new automations, lead gen, email, or infrastructure code, check the skills library. This makes you 5x faster, builds proven and all. Or infrastructure code. You can see code or AI development. So guys, here what I wanted to show you, I can also edit these things, or I can ask AI ki, hey, add AI development also over here. So if I added manually, I saved my tokens, I saved my those things, right? So someone, this is a benefit, guys. Like uh, I'm totally from no code background, so I have to do everything using AI. So my AI charge or recharge, you can say, or the cost will almost 5x than a person who know about coding. So do not worry, like the person who learn a lot of things, they know everything, they do not have any leverage. No, you have leverage, that you can do, you can save your credits. That is the only leverage you have. So if I have money, then I'm the same like other person. Along with that, the same thing will take you less time than the person who is no coder, because I have to ask it to do in multiple steps. But the person who know everything, where is the issue, they can fix. So this is a real example. I could have asked, hey, I do not like this core principle, make it more better. Let me ask also, let me ask, so you will get an idea. Hey, so you have added core principle, that's fine. But here, not only make it in automations, that's fine. I already added AI development, but make it more structured, because we'll be doing thousand things, right? Using this particular cloud code. So just rewrite those lines. So whether we are designing any new website, any new AI product, any new development, or just brainstorming, or just making ourselves and our AI superhuman, we wanted to add any kind of skills, it can use, right? So just tweak a bit, the same Claude MD file that we just recently added. Rest is cool. So did you got right now? I have given a command. Now what it will do? It is going to rewrite this. But now because, oh wait, but now because it is working, so it is going to consume your tokens. And if I'll show you how much this consumes, so max is having almost 100x. Sorry, not so. Right now, are we able to see it is going to edit? The best part, it is going to edit core principle only. And let me say yes, and yeah, here we go. Right, AI product development. So it is more structured now. So right now, I have used 3% for the task that we are doing till now. It is 3%. It means if you were having a pro plan, somewhere around 15% or 20%, that's maximum, right? Because I'm having 5x more access as pro plan. I paid $100. So that's how we have to understand how to use proper AI, right? And this is the beauty, like I told you. Either we can ask AI, it is more structured, more better way, or we can do manually also. That is time consuming. But do which is something taking less time. If it is taking less time to AI, ask AI to do. So there is time and money. There is time and money. And that's why we are able to leverage AI. The same task, the same kind of thing would have taken us around 10 hours. Now we can do in 1 hour or half an hour. But the cost. So something to do a 10 hour of work costing me 1,000 rupees, 10,000 or fine, 1 lakh rupees. To do a 10 hours of development were costing me 1 lakh rupees. or $1,000, now we can do in 1 hour. But does it also cost me $100 or 200 or 300? So we have to see, right? If the same thing will cost us $10,000, but at a 1/10 of time, then again we need to see that we can afford it or not. Like we are ourselves, right? We do not care about outer world and company. We have to pay from our pocket. So I have to see, okay, ki I can afford it or not. For Ambani, for rich people, they do not care about money because they have a lot of money. But we care about money. I care about money, right? So that's how you have to multiply. It's not, there is nothing hard and fast rule. Simple, your mathematics. How much money you have, how much time you have, and see the value of your time. What is your per hour rate? So everyone has to understand what is your per hour rate. What's my per hour rate? I know what's your per hour rate. If AI is helping you to do that, do it with the help of AI. Make it. Or if your per hour rate is like less and you are paying AI a lot, do not do that. Make your hourly rate better. Fine, guys. So here now we have proper context MD file, and here we can see more and more structured. A lot is structured. Plus, not only this, the beauty of it. Let's close this from here. The beauty of it, it has pushed in my GitHub also, right? So let me take you in my GitHub link. Oh, where is bro? So fine. So now you can see either I can go up, 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 and I can click and I can check, or what I can do, mm, give me GitHub link. Plus, I think you pushed inside automation. So this is this is not only for automation, right? For this is okay. Fine, leave it. Let's not make it complicated for now. Give me GitHub link. So now I can ask again AI to give me GitHub link, and it is going to give me GitHub link. Or I could have did on my own as well. So now I'll click here, and where we got. Let me copy this link. Let me go over here. Let me paste. Fine. So here you are all are able to see we have now all these skills. And if I'll show you when it was about 16 minutes ago, just right now with you guys, right? Fine. Are we able to see how well structured everything it has pushed? Now you all can use this. Let me share the file with you also. And someone will see my GitHub and they will say ki how hardworking I am. Though it feel I'm hardworking, and that what world need to see only. But yeah, you can see everything we have pushed, committed over here in proper clean format. Okay. Can we see the beauty of AI using AI? Even this is just a secret. Do not tell anyone. I don't know how to push in, or commit in GitHub. I just ask every single time AI. Though once you are going to do again and again over here, you will understand how things works because multiple times it is going to do. So now I know there are some things. But here two methods. Either you can ask AI to push, or or commit in GitHub, or you can open your terminal also, and then after opening your terminal you can do manually. For every people who know how to commit, my recommendation, use terminal manually. Do that because that will save a bit more token if you are with pro plan. If you are with max or ultra, enjoy. Do not do anything. Ask AI to do. Fine, guys. Are we clear till here how things works? Now you got this also, and of course, if someone do not have my link and all, just go here, AI agent, github.com/AI agent with Dhruv, and keep giving me stars also. I think you all are going to make me famous one day, so keep giving me stars as well, like this. So that what makes my profile more rich. Okay, so I'll keep adding more and more things over here. So you can see you can see my GitHub, right? Contributions, how it looks like, even though I'm using AI for so long. Contributions on June 16th, 8 contributions. This might have took more time than to contribute all these things, But here, if you will able to see now, two contributions, blah blah, not blah blah blah. It's a good thing. So it's, yeah, it's so much good content that I have given you guys, and I'm giving it away everyone to entire community, right? Especially our Huron community. I'm adding my money, I'm adding my brain, I'm adding my effort, but I'm giving it away everything almost at no cost, right? You can see automations, you can see Angelina, you can see on site Angelina AI, Iran, right? AI special coach, Jarvis, everything, whatever you need. And that what I'll keep doing. That what I'll keep doing, everyone. Okay? So I want everyone at least to make it best use of it, right? So no matter if I'm going to create some best model also, I'll give it away at no cost. So yeah, that's how you can use over here. And yes, right now I'm using to store and update everything GitHub. Reason because, again, I can, so if tomorrow my laptop will be gone, I do not need to worry, right? Okay, where is my file, where is all those files? I can just again, like, pull, and yeah, I'll work, then again I push, pull, push, push, pull, push. That's how. And this is also called CI/CD, continuous in improvement, continuous development. Even I didn't know this concept so before, but just right now I'm doing. So yeah, that's how the practical things looks like. Fine. Now let me show you how I created these things, and then we can close for today. So everything is clear now. Now either we can open new folder like this, or if we have any past conversation here, we all are able to see, right? The past conversations, everything that we are doing it. So check my N10 using MCP server. Did you have any context? Plus one more thing, guys, right? Let me tell you, the same way you need to connect with your N10 also. So just you can say connect with my, okay, so can you tell me in less sentences, so I can show this. Let me use voice again. Hey, so can you tell me in very, very less sentences, so I can show my audience that how to connect with my N10? So if someone, not internet, N10. So sometime voice, if not work, check and fix it, N10. And GitHub. Again, GitHub. What prerequisite needed, right? So that we can show to our people. And then they can just copy and paste over here, and yeah, you are done. So by the way, guys, you need to ask it. Okay, this is a skill, this is MCP for my N10. Connect with this. Then it will ask your APIs keys. Same with happens with GitHub also. Once you have to connect, once it is done, then yeah, that's all. So you can see, okay, here's a super concise guide for your audience. Quick setup. Connect Cloud Code to N10 plus GitHub. Prerequisite: install Cloud Code CLI. Do not need N10 instance running self-hosted or cloud. Okay, GitHub account with repo. This is all we need. This is all we need. We do not need this as of now. Connect N10 MCP server. Okay, so it has proper code. If you do not have, in that case, you can ask it to search on GitHub, and it will do. If not, then I'll show you. Get your N10 API key and setting. Yes, this is all you need to connect with your N10. Your API key, create API key. How you will get? So first of all, you just click over here, N10 skills. You can just search N10 skills, and you will get this particular file. Just copy and just paste. Okay, and just once you did it, just go over here, copy and paste, and ask it to now connect with my N10. That is how you can connect with your N10. And then give it to your API key. Go in setting over here. Here we have API key. From here, N10 API, create, give it give it to it, or you can save in .env local as well. if you do not want to expose, that can be also done. But yeah, both can be handled. And then that's all. And then ask it to connect with your MCP server also, so in a real time it can add it inside your N10. So even I have showed you that particular workflow also, right? It has created in a real time, it can fix all these things. This is also being created with the help of AI. This is also being created with the help of AI. Yeah, you need to give again and again prompt. In one go it's not going to create. This is not that much smart. But yeah, that's how it is, right? Like, but it can save you a lot of time. So once you have given MCP access and your N10 skills access, that it can install on its own. Ask it to install. Ask it to Cloud Code. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. This is what link I have given. Now your task is to install and let me know. It will install. Then our N10 is connected. You can check by asking, okay, how many workflows we have, and it is going to give. If it is not giving, then ask why you are not giving N10 workflows. Second, connect with GitHub. Run in terminal. Okay, we do not need to do also. If someone knows how to do that, do it. That's fine. If not, you can ask it also. Okay, just connect with my GitHub, and it is going to ask you your GitHub credentials. Just give it and done. It will connect with your GitHub, and whenever now next time you will ask to create something over N8N or anywhere or push something over GitHub, it is going to update your particular repositories. It is going to add new repositories, and it is going to add each and everything that you want. Fine, guys. If you wanted to continue in my style, always keep one dot context file, so it has proper context. And also ask it to push it in your GitHub as well. Commit in your GitHub, so it has proper context each and every time. So even if you lose this particular laptop, we have everything, because we cannot afford to lose anything. Okay, we cannot afford. So the best way is what? Keep storage, keep stored somewhere. That what we can do, right? Any question till here? No question. I think it's clear to everyone. Great. Okay, now what? Once we have done all these things, it has proper setup. The same way, tomorrow if something new out there in the market, you have to connect with anything. Ask it to connect. Ask it. It will tell you a step. Either you can perform that step on your own, so you will save a lot of time and money. If not, in that case, uh, you can ask it to do, and it is going to do on your behalf. Now this is done. Now we can close it also. And if I'll show you, did you have any context about? Okay, so here I have created. Hey, hey, so now can you tell me, like we have created the model arena, and then we have created the landing page. Can you give me a structure, kind of tabular or best looking format, which I can read that to show my audience, to show my learners with me, who are out there, ki, okay, how we have created this step by step using AI, right? So keep it short, not very long, but yeah, just give me an idea, and then we'll retest all those things. And also add those context, that how I was prompted you, and how I was thinking step by step. So it can show people ki, okay, how to think with AI and why it's important. Also add few terms that is important, that I believe, right? Ki ask something, then it will give output, then test it also, right? Because until unless AI or you are testing, and then again reprompt and all those things. But keep it so concise, effective, and value driven, not unnecessary gyan. Not gain, it's gyan. Okay, so now, yeah, now I'm asking AI itself ki, oh, leave it. Now I asking I'm AI itself ki, okay, just let us know what we did till now. For the best part, once this is done, I can open multiple tab to work simultaneous. Okay, with the same. And I can, with the help of this, I can run anything locally. I can do anything, whatever I wanted. Run in this port, run in that port, each and everything we can do. So even let me show you. can you check we created Jarvis? Now you can see I'm asking in new tab. Again from here you can switch model. It's Sonnet, which is weak. Let me change over here. Switch model. Done. I did this. And let me switch also over here. That the reason it was consuming less tokens. We were using basic model, not like Sonnet is also good, but for research, not for task. Now I switched it where to Opus. What did I? Okay, it's doing it now, and okay, home Jarvis. So you can see already I created this particular project and client.md and all and all and all. Fine. We were having project files. We were having HTML file also, right? Okay. Can we run locally? So I can test again. Now you can see just I'm asking it to run locally and here it's doing more work. Now I can add one more thing also. Hey, can you tell me how many workflows we have in our NA10 actual hosted one AI with roof? So you can see multiple tasks started, right? So it has given me proper this particular how we build this file as well. And fine, copy link that I can show you. Here also it's working locally, that's fine. And here, yes, not this one, not this one. Again I told actual NA10. Check you have MCP access. Check from there. NA10 AI with roof. This one. So guys, till here I had just given you basic kind of thing. Now our speed is almost 50x, 100x. You can see I'm able to do all these things. Okay. So let me show you here as well. Let me open local 3000 port. Yeah, it's there now, right? Are we able to see? It's there already. We can test. Before that, it okay. No URI API key. Fine. Go to your URI API. That's fine. Let me talk to this. No OpenAI key. That's fine. We can have to connect with OpenAI key, right over here. Okay. Incorrect API key. Yes, we need to. So right now, what we are, you all are able to see. I'm able to run multiple tasks at the same time. Mm-mm. No, bro. You have. We have so many. Check again. Run with skills CP and then with actual NA10 workflows. And here currently how many total workflows we have. Now you can see I'm able to do multiple tasks, but yeah, once you will do multiple tasks, it is going to consume more and more. What? Your tokens. And you can see that's how we have to just give access once. We have to give access once and we are done. Let me copy here as well. I can open this as well. So I asked it to give an idea how we have built it and it updated in my GitHub also. Okay, so how we build neuron model arena with AI in one session. A step by step session guide. The vision. Initial ask. I want to test and compare AI models side by side. Keep the Yuri chat, but add a new tool where I can benchmark any model from any provider. Start simpler, then add complexity. Chat first, then video rendering, dashboard, memory, make it deployment. So you can see, guys, this was the end-to-end prompt that I have given initially to build that kind of arena model. Which model? This model, right? If you remember, do not forget. Then why this prompt worked? Clear output, compare mode side by side, scope flexibility, start simple and complexity, technical constraints, any provider deployable. Build process, think, build, test, fix, and ship. Simple. That's how we do all these things. Research before building, 10-minute. Prompt. Research existing AI models comparison tools. What exists, what's missing, how do you work? So see, I again given it a prompt, or we can add in its skills also. Okay, every single time you have to research something. That if I ask research, so it has research. AI did found chatbot arena, open router rankings, artificial analysis, identified gaps, most are closed source, backend heavy, slow, recommended single HTML file, browser based, multi provider. Then step 2, V1 single provider, 30-minute. Build V1 with Uri models, only 2.4, only 2 to 4 models side by side, cards, benchmark, prompts, voting, leaderboard, single HTML file, and all. AI delivered 19 Uri models, 5 benchmark categories, chatbot, parallel API calls, real time metrics, local storage for voting history. Tested, open HTML worked, selected 3 models, V1 complete. Key lessons start with one provider, validate core UX before scaling. Multi provider expansion, 45-minute. Prompt, add all major providers, OpenAI, and also are we able to see the how I went? And even I added in my GitHub as well, so anyone can go and read it. How I think, how I do all these things using AI. AI did added 9 providers, 50 plus models, build multi API routing, 3 formats and all, tested, added OpenAI key and all, then bug fixes, fine, and then yeah, root cause, okay, tested, okay. So you can see all the challenges, everything that I did, it's already there. So key principles, key principles for AI: assisted development, research first, code second. Ask AI what exists, what missing, best approach, right? Because it can do research also. Try not to use for each and everything. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I think you all are not able to see my screen because it's just shared one tab. Sorry, my bad. Let me just share entire screen just for you for now. Yes. So now I think you all are able to see. So this is what I was showing you. This is in my GitHub. So if you all are able to see, here I have added step by step. Okay. What is the best way to hire a Java developer? Ask AI again. AI can do the task. So I'll tell you, trade journal. If I had to do the task, how I'll use AI, okay, to make Java things done. Even I don't know how to do all those things, but we can ask AI to do that. So here I have added step by step things, and let me go in again VS Code. Let me add one chat from comment. Okay, what is the best way to hire a Java developer? Fine. So okay, hey, so hey, so someone asked what is the best way to hire a Java developer? But I do not want to hire a Java developer because now I have a power of AI. Can you let me know in few words? Can you be my Java developer for me? Can you do everything? Okay. So yes, I built my startup now. I want to upgrade code quality and make it production level. Okay, so see what it answer. Short answer, yes, I can write Java code, classes, API, string, boot tabs, microservices, database, logic, testing, debugging, refactoring, all of it. But here's the honest take in a few words. What I can do replaces 80% of Java dev. See, 80% task it will handle, write, debug, and refactor, build REST APIs, database schemas, queries, ORM setup. I hope you are able to understand, right? All these things. Unit test, even not, then also fine. Just ask a task and it will do. Code reviews, architecture decisions, DevOps configuration, Docker files, CI/CD pipelines. Fine, man. Like, are we able to understand these things? AI can handle. What I cannot do the remaining, and even I build SaaS platform end to end. So yeah, I also very confident. You can see this is also I built using just AI and all. It's working pretty fine working. You can ask any question and it is going to respond properly. I added so many APIs. And the best part, right now, we do not need to even think on which platform we need to build. We need to think what we need to get an outcome, and we can change anything whenever we want. So you can see. So this is also proper working, and yeah, here. So what I cannot do, the remaining 20%. Monitor production system 24/7. Okay, no one need monitoring that level. Join live stand up. See, AI is now joking with you. Join live stand up meetings with your team. Okay, that I can handle. Own long running context across week without you feeding me update. Okay, I can give you update. Debug live server issue in real time. I need you to paste log. Oh, bro, of course. So can you see right now here what it saying you technically? Your best play. Use me as your Java dev plus use N8 and automation for the ops side. You don't need to hire. You need to pair with AI. That's it. Dhruv, before we go build anything Java related, what distribution did you do today? The features freeze is still on. If someone asks you about hiring a Java dev, that sounds like potential client con. He's asking you to pay me, right, to do all these things. Tell me more about that. And is this for a client project? That's where the money is. Can you see how my AI is smart? He is saying you that you are potential client for me. Even I can do that. There is no doubt. Just it's about time. Fine. Any question if you have, right? Can you see like everything AI can do? And I did it, so you can too. I believe do not hire anyone. Give a week, at least 1 week. Pay $20 to Claude and test it. Once you feel you can do it, that's fine. Go ahead. If you not, then pay someone. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's how the real life live AI working is, right? You all are able to see, and that's how I approach the thing. Okay, that's how I approach the thing. And if you wanted to put any more complex questions, you can put. Then I'll ask again AI. So okay, so here I this is what I wanted to show. Ki that approach I the iterative testing loop where it is. This is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. Deployment done. Okay, so key principle for AI assisted deployment. Research first, code second. Okay, what? Research first, code second. Ask AI what exists, what missing. Best approach. Saves hours of rebuilding known patterns. Yeah, got it. So that what I'm saying. Right. What you can do, pay $20 to AI, and then test it for next week. That's the reason I have taken a class, and I'll keep taking live classes and also, and I'll create some dedicated videos as well in coming time. So just see if you can handle those part with the help of it. Fine. So what are the key principles for AI assisted development? And even you can use that too. Research first, code second. Ask AI what exists, what missing. Best approach. Saves hours of rebuilding known patterns. So even if I'll take the same questions and let me apply this, right? To trade journal. Okay, so I already know Scratch, but the code quality from is not that good. There are my many bugs, and I'm not from a tech background. I need a guy to skill improve. Fine. So here you can see that the problem we have, right? Key, okay, what exists, what is missing. So that we can feed it. Start small, scale fast. Single provider core UX. V2 multi provider 50 plus model. Built in 3 hours because V1 validated the approach. Test everything. Open the file, click the button, add bad inputs. AI can't test for you. It's a code generator, not a QA engineer. Screenshot are the best tool. This is broken. AI gets a screenshot, AI sees. So yeah, every single time whenever I'm getting any kind of error or anything, what I'll do, I'll go to this and just I'll paste it. Right? I'll paste and it is going to fix the things. Iterate on bugs, don't rebuild. Don't say rewrite this, say here's the bug, screenshot, fix the root cause. Deployment should be trivial. GitHub pages for static sites, free auto deployed. This is very, very important. And even I'm using it and I'm sure for next years also I'm going to use it because this is free again and again. Vercel Netif, Net, Netlify. Okay, Vercel Netlify for next.js free tier. Yes, we do not need to pay for that also. Model for APIs free trial. Ask AI deploy this free and fast. It knows the pattern. Technical highlights, multi-provided API routings and all you can see. Zero dependencies, architecture decision, single HTML file, no RPM, no build step, no framework. Why? Works offline, easy to audit, fast to deploy, future proof. What we shipped this feature 9 providers, 50 plus model, cross provider comparisons, 5 benchmark categories, real time metrics, API keys, single HTML file, time to build 3 hours, bugs found to both caught by user testing. Lessons for your AI journey. AI is 10x amplifier, not a replacement. You drive AI code. You drive AI code. Okay, testing is your job. AI writes it, you break it, AI fixes it. That's all we need, right? That's any developer do. What it do? It fixes, right? At the end, you have to see the output. At the end, you have to see the UI. Fine. So yeah, now start sim start simple, iterate fast. V1 in 30 minutes beats perfect but never shipped. Screenshot, done, deploy early. Live link, read real feedback, local host, assumptions. So that's what you can do. Try it yourself. Clone the repo, done, or just open. Question 3. Open an issue or DM AI. Yes, DM me. I'll do this. Built with Cloud Code, Opus 4.6, total prompt, 6 researches and then that's done. That's great. So that's how we can use AI a lot. Even what I can see, so live, I was reading this file, and what I have seen, it has not given my LinkedIn URL. So what I'll do, I'll go in my LinkedIn. Okay, I'm getting noticed. I'll just copy my LinkedIn. I'll come here in my particular things. Okay, and yeah, MCP is connected. That's done. Here, yeah, here. Hey, so everything is great. Hey, so everything looks great, but you have written in that file DM, right? So where they will DM, bro? Of course, you have given that AI agent in GitHub also. That's fine, but I want you to add this LinkedIn URL. Of course, they can DM me, but I want you to add this LinkedIn URL. So every single time, so I think this is the habit that you have to keep, right? From now onwards, update this particular MD file as of now how we build. At the end, that you can reach out to Dhruv at this if you have any questions and doubt, and then let me know. Just update it here, but keep in your context from future we can give this particular LinkedIn URL to wherever needed, so people can reach me out directly. Do not give my home address. Even that we can give for now. Just joking. Fine. So now what it will do? It is going to update my LinkedIn profile in my GitHub as well, and that's how I fix things in a real time. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, now commit and push. So it's working. That's fine. Till then, let's see this. Okay, so you can see it has given me answers. Here the full breakdown. Total workflows 210, status count, active 49, inactive 61. Notable active ones include AI with Dhruv. Okay, you can see social media, AI with Dhruv, agent Dhruv, 35 notes, daily AI news. So you can see it has all the access of my entire automation workflow. I do not do anything manually now. I ask it to do each and everything. Okay, fine. So whenever I have to ask you again to tell me about my workflows and all, what it does, it just check local. It does not check like you have checked my entire N8N. So how to ask AI? So it has like, it give me all these details. So see, I'm asking AI to do how to ask AI. Okay, live build, done. Landing page footer, my memory. Okay, let's see if it does. Yeah, right. So here we got. Click here and connect with Dhruv. Right, this is that's how we have to use AI, right? The problem you see, by the way, you guys can follow me in my LinkedIn, share my LinkedIn profile, and if you have so big client, let me know. Fine. So you can see when this kind of workflow is being created with the help of AI itself. I'll tell you that also. I'll give it free of cost again. You can just connect your things and done. I'm working hard for you guys. You guys can just use, make it work, make it out, make it an outcome. That's all I need, and that's what I have learned at Euron, and still I'm learning. So that's what I wanted to give it back as well. We haven't tested this. I'll test you in front of you this one as well, and this is done. Let me see. Okay, okay, that's fine. Then we can simply click and delete all these files as well. We do not need any more like this, and it tested fine. Now let me shape this to my memory, so it's always available. Now it is okay. So good point. The MCP tool only showed two workflows while the direct API returned all to 10. Two things we can do: save all full workflows inventory to my memory, so I always have it loaded. Fix the MCP tool, so it returned everything. Let me do both. First, let me save inventory to my memory, so I always have context. And good. Now let me save this to my memory directory, so it's always available. And let me test in front of you this one also, so we can see Jarvis. So if you guys have seen right now, I don't know how to run this even locally. So I asked this to run for myself. Where it is, and it has run for me, right? And just I can go in setting, I can connect with my Uri API. Done. Let's not save for now, and let me ask, hey, and here we go. Here we go. Good morning. How can I help you today? Are we able to see here? Good morning. How I can help you today? No need help. No need help. Just testing for my people. Okay, understood. If you would like to ask any testing capability, that's fine. Same, I can go to my OpenAI platform. OpenAI key. We need OpenAI key. So I can talk to this in a real time. Just let me grab my OpenAI key. Let me connect with my account. So guys, that's how we can run all these things. That's how we can set up. And these all things you can also test and try on your own. Already I'm showing you a lot. So next time we can test with new product whenever I'm coming live. And by the way, you can just let me know in the comment in the WhatsApp community if you are a part of your own. So I grabbed my OpenAI key. Let me go in setting and see the best part. This all thing created by me. Like I do not like to do anything in backend. I just like a UI where I have everything, so I can test and try. Now let me test. Hey, how are you? Okay. What is one thing that you wanted to tell world if there is AI, if there is AI which can handle almost 50x of task, what you wanted to suggest to our people out there in the market? Fine, 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 fine. You are giving so much gyan. Can you just tell me cool thing that what cool thing that anyone can do? Like if I am in 10th class, what I can do? I'm in school. Mhm. Okay. What if I just what if I just wanted to develop a kind of AI models, AI product, all the tech part? Should I skip my schooling or what? That's fine. That's fine. But all these things can be handled by AI. Then why I need to waste my entire life? Fine. Fine, guys. So are we able to see like we are able to talk this live just with the help of plus I have added also live ki, okay how much we are paying this particular AI over here, right? So yes, just I can close. That's all. That's all right. I can close this tab also, and whenever I want, I can tweak with so many other things. Fine. Same. If you remember, we did all these things. Okay. Okay, that's great. That's great. So now, can you tell me what more possibilities are there that we can add in our, uh, you know, arena model that we can improve later on? Just give me a little bit context or just in words. Do not start writing. And here, if you guys will able to see, if we all are able to see, so here we have all these options: plan mode, ask before edit, edit automatically, and all plan mode and all and all. So we can click over here also. So now I'm asking about that particular things. Ki, okay, the same model that we are using over here, this one, how we can make it more and more better. And once I'll ask it now, meanwhile, let me show you the consumption that I did. Okay, so are we able to see 10% off total? So if you were having pro model, you might be consuming 50 and 60% right till now. Might be more. I don't know why it's showing less because I paid more, right? But yes, yes. In my like my suggestion in one single with pro model, you can build anything. Here's what we can do: add order by impact, quick wins, single HTML, no backend, blind mode, streaming responses, cost calculator. Okay, okay, searchable results, medium effort, still single file but more complex. Mhm. Big features could be separated tools under your own. Great, great, great. Okay. So now you can say it has given me idea. Even I don't know all the idea, but I can read all these idea. Great. So let's start building. Then what you are waiting for? You are waiting for, and let's build all. At least let's build first one. Then we'll do later other part. Not in plan mode now. We can click on edit automatically. That's all. And you will see it started building now. It is going to build everything, and then we will have entire di- whatever we want, we can change it technically. And that's how it's building. So let's build. Let's build Blind mode first. It is the highest impact, most unique feature. Let me read the current arena to understand what to modify. You can see it started reading the file that we have. Update to dos, add build blind mode, toggle AI, add blind mode logic, test and push to GitHub. So now we are doing real development live. Any questions, guys? If anyone want to ask anything, let me know in the comment. I know right now you do not have any questions. Either I'm explaining everything clear or you are getting bored. Or let me know, just let me know. I can answer a few questions. Because after some time I'm going to end this live stream. Let me know in the comment. So you can see it's just building live in a real time in front of you. I need to do just basic setup. Basic. This is great. Just. Hmm. This is more cool now. So what it is doing now, it's updating my current system that we already have here. This one, we are asking it to update more and more, and it is going to push live in front of you. Build blind mode is live. Here's how it works. Toggle blind, switch next to the run arena mode. Run a comparison card so model A, model B, model C, model D instead of real names. Speed metrics are hidden to the okay. Read the outputs. Okay. So white matters, same idea as chatbot arena, remove bias. People vote GPT-4 even when Claude gives a better answer. Just because of the name, blind mode test actual works. So technically what it is doing now, technically it has added blind mode ki okay. Just see how things works and later on. So if I'll just refresh this. Yeah, did we got right? Click on run and you can see model A, model B, model C. It does not care that which model it is. Are we able to see, guys? And if I'll again run, you will all able to see it doing this, right? Fine. Are we able to see real development, how real development looks like? And I am from total no code background. Okay. So if I can do, anyone can do that. So what we did right now, just we added one feature, blind mode. So what it does, actually, it is a kind, so white matters, same idea as chatbot arena, removes bias. People vote GPT-4 even when Claude gives a better answer just because of the name. Blind mode, test actual output quality. Fine, guys. So we are able to build in a real time. Let's add one more feature. Okay, great. Working. Let's move next. And now update all things that were easy. Build and deploy and push. That's all. That's all the prompt I have to give, and it is going to do in a real time. And if I also again my account uses just this much, nothing more than that. So if for other people context, if you don't know what we are doing, we are building system in a real time. So it's updating these particular things. Where you can get access, you can get access over here. AI agent with github.io Eron models. Here you can see this particular link directly and you can test and try in a real time. What it does, it tests all the models in a real time, no matter which model it is. You can see Yuri, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, XI, DeepSeek, Open Router, Grok, Mistral, any model that you want, you can test and try it, and it is going to give you result in a real time. Now let me build the remaining. You can see how this system works. Let me show Yeah, it's already the best model. And let me build the remaining quick wins: streaming cost calculator, ELO ratings, and shareable results. Let me read the current file first. Update to do, add streaming responses, real time text generations. You can see add cost calculator, dollar per cost response, add ELO rating system, add shareable results, copy and export a comparison, commit and push all the features. And yeah, that's how it's working. That's how working in a real time. Sounds cool and great, right? Meanwhile, it's building its own. How you can learn all those things live if you want, all can join my upcoming batch. This is a completed batch, but if you want, you guys can join my live batch as well. So here you can see future proof AI automation bootcamp, which is going to start on 8th of March. Almost it's what today, it's 15th of Feb. In next 20 days, 20 or 25 days, 8th March 2026, Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So that's where you all can join me. So what extra you will get? Dhruv, you are telling everything live over here. What we are going to get there extra? Of course, I'm telling you here also everything that might you are going to pay lakhs rupees to other people and still they are hiding you, right? Then only you will pay, right? If you know everything, then why you are going to pay? But I'm revealing each and everything. But still, if you want to learn from scratch, again there, so learn automation thing with live interactive classes, receive an official this fine for the main part is live. There you can talk to me in a real time. Right now just time is speaking and you are just chatting, but there you can talk to me, you can share your screen so we can fix in a real time. Along with that, so many how to like automation thinking, then design and system, not workflows, AI as your system designer, AI assisted system design, and also I am going to cover each and everything step by step. Multi-channel communications automations, database CRM and logics, AI powered automation systems, rack systems, AI knowledge, goal driven AI agents and voice systems. Yeah, those things I'm also going to explain. Deployment and production operations, cost optimization, industry playbooks, service businesses and real estate and all these things. Build your AI operators, front end dashboards, everything, right? Everything. Deployment, policy and customizations, career clients and building businesses. Then getting clients, closing deals and scaling, how companies buy automations and all. And this is something cool that no one is going to tell you. Someone can tell you how to develop these, that, those things, but no community and no industry will going to tell you how to get a client until you are going to join MBA kind of course. Then there you are not going to get real time experience with development or doing all these things. But here commonly you are getting everything at one place. So I'm going to tell you how you can build your career, clients, building and businesses, post positioning, portfolio and personal brand. So if I'll show you right now, I already have more than 5,652 followers. So you can see I'm getting all these things also. People are following me a lot. Not lot, of course. Though 5,000 is not lot. But yeah, we'll see like how I build these things. At least I have few people, right? More than average people. And I'm building more and more. So how we can utilize this? Not only this, if you go in my messaging, I automated my messaging system as well, right? So you can see we have businesses right now. I was just working with you and it is happening automatic because I automated these kind of systems. So I'm going to teach you how you can automate these things at almost no effort. That can be done, so that I'm also going to explain you. And how can build your brand, whether you are a company, whether you are a person, whether you wanted a job, anything that you wanted that you can do. And I'll tell you in the same way that I'm doing, right? I'm 100% from no code low code before that also, but now because of AI I have a superpower to develop things also. That's why I'm doing these things. But the main purpose to generate an outcome. Until unless we are making something valuable for the world, no one is going to pay you. So when I say valuable to the world, either it can save people's time or it can help them to make money, or it can make their people's with their teams efforts very less, or make them so much productive. So if we are focusing on these parts, we can like make money out of it, right? Even the company that you are going to work, you have to tell them you can do 100 people of task, And believe me, next 1 and 2 months, right now there are people who can do 50 people of task. In coming 6 months, that will go to 100, 10,000, right? Super fast. So why not to be a part of that? So that everything I'm going to teach you. And if I'll tell you the cost, that is nothing. That is nothing reason because the kind of resources and things we are going to provide. So if I'll show you the cost, 5,000, literally 5,000, right? How much? 5,000. The 5,000 is just 20 into 20, $40. That's all. 40, 40, 40, 40, $45. That's all, right? 2 months of cloud. But the kind of value I'm going to give, this is make you thousand, $10,000 for entire life. Even you can crack a good interview also. So the value is huge. Even not only this particular cost, if I'll show you, apart from that, we are going to give you so much resources. Like here you will be getting live more classes. You can join Euron 1, and there you will be getting live classes, each and every live classes that you need to learn only. And after that, believe me, you do not need to go anywhere. It's okay, it's fine to learn with so many resources that what needed, but you will feel ki, why I need, why not to focus on getting client and making money, or getting or cracking a high paying job, not job, high paying job. So when people are dying, or they are in hurry, or they are in insecurity, hey, my job has gone and all, you will be okay, I can get a job. So here you have all the live classes, then you have roadmap, Euron Plus, then you have Yuri Chat, which you can test and try again, Yuri AI Gateway, where we are going to give you APIs, internships. Of course, you can do all those things. Resume AI, it can help you to create your resume. Not only this, you can practice entire job interview with Habani. Just upload your resume and start, and you will see how cool this is. If I'll show you so these things even being built with the help of AI. And once you are going to join Euron, you will able to see, yeah, once you are going to join Euron, you will able to see that even you are able to build this kind of system as well. Okay, there it is. Drop your resume, maximum 10 MB, upload your resume. So if I'll take you here, AI withdraw resume, I can click over here. It will analyze my resume. Meanwhile, let me show that also. Okay. So this is also done. All pushed and live. Here's what we fixed. Cost calculated. Every sponsor shows the dollar cost per model pricing, yellow ratings, shareable results. And that's how guys, now we can ask to do more and more tasks. Now can you tell me what left more? And it is going to tell us what left more. Apart from that, start interview. And yeah, here we go, right? Hey, hi. Hey, hi. Hello. Hey, Avni. How are you? Hmm. Yeah, technology. I use so many LLMs and all those things, AI agents, LangChain, LangGraph, everything that is available in the market. And I did it using AI only. Okay, fine, fine. Like, can I skip this interview and can you give me direct job because I already have so many project. I'll talk to you later. Can I take a break for now? She got irritated like interviewer. Ja bhai, like just go. I do not care. So yeah, that's how you can do real practice. Okay, this is kind of real practice you can do, and it is going to take you step by step for next 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever it will be needed. Very detailed. It to take around 40, 45 minutes and 1 hour, and you can talk to it in a real time. I got so many calls, and they say, Dhruv, I'm not able to speak, I'm not able to explain, I'm not able to do that. This Use Avni, bro. Use Avni. Okay, this is more than enough to make you ready for your interview and job. Fine. So these kind of things you are going to get at just 5,000 rupees. What happens in 5,000? Nothing. If it could have been my platform, like directly, I could have charged might be lakhs, but I do not want to charge from candidates. I want to charge it from company, and that's what I want to promote, right? And that's why I'm here at Euron. So fine, guys, are we able to see the capability and all those things? Let me refresh this final one. And yeah, here we are. Let's run more once more arena, and let's see how this looks now. It's running, it's running, it's running. That's cool. Great. Okay, now let's click leaderboard. Oh. Okay, fine. So can we see the real-time development? How cool this is, right? Are we able to see average tokens used? Runs, and all. Oh, great, guys. Really great, right? Per second, win rate, yellow provider. Where is win rate? That's fine. Where is cost? I want to see cost, right? Okay, cost, free. It's there already. History. So are we able to see how cool this is? Now I can go more, and I can build whatever I can think now. I can change the entire UI also if I want. Okay, so build live now. Here the full status. Multi-provider done. So you can see how cool this is giving you. Even the person you are going to hire, they cannot restructure all these things in this way. The AI is giving you. Multi-provider arena, 5 benchmarks categories, 25 prompt, parallel API calls, voting, history, custom models, blind mode, cost calculator, ELO, shareable results, landing, GitHub pages deployment, auto deploy, how we build this case. Left to build, quick, streaming responses, so text generating in real time, medium effort, then big big features and all. And these are all things I can just ask and upgrade. Now in some time you need to add some more APIs keys, you need to add something more that we can do. But yeah, that's how the real development looks like, right? That is how the real development looks like. Fine, guys, all are we at same board, right? Are we learning something? Anyone can comment. This is worth to watch, so I can take multiple live classes for you, for everyone, so we all can learn. Fine. Let me know if any questions or anything if you have. And not only Avni kind of Yuri and all those things, we have so many other features as well, which you guys can join. We do have consultancy, and then we have work and learn, which you can join if you wanted to practice with it with real projects in a real time. So you all can request here at a full name, WhatsApp number, email ID, and all, and our team going to connect with you. Real experience, real people, real projects, not demo or something, right? Real project. The cost is 50,000. Again, we are going to give you all, like, all the related learning module that you needed. The platform subscription fee, again, we are charging very less, right? The hard truth about getting, so we are not trying to make a lot of money from you guys, but we are going to support you. You can make a lot of money out of all these things. The hard truth about getting hired: 48% graduates unemployed, might be more. 72% experience required. Less than 10% get job after course completion rate. And these, again, these all are not fancy words. These are the truth, right? Sound familiar? Okay, then just join the simple our platform. Everything you get: Cursor Pro access, UX Pilot access, AI Model API access, Eraser.io access, Gamma app access, Project Managers access, secure project documents, official Euron email, GitHub organizations access, all API keys for projects, Euron file drive. See, guys, if I'll show you my bill, last month I paid 40,000 rupees. 40,000 for what? Just AI bill. That much cost me. 40,000 rupees. So we all are giving you a lot, right, over here. And I can show you that also. So we are giving you a lot, which you guys, if you want to test and try, wanted to join, just come and join and learn with our team in a real time. Okay. Not only this, we have consultancy as well. If you do not want to spend any more time, like I think there was there was someone who was asking Java developer and all. So you can come over here also. You can ask our team to work for you. We can work for you, right? And yes, there also you can hire us. Why to hire other people when we are best at doing all these things? Fine. So that can be done. This tool is related to right now we done each and everything end to end AI development. I have showed how you can use these things to develop all the AI parts, how you can deploy, how you can make it live on GitHub, and how you can give access to real world. That what I have explained. Just go through from in, like first minute, and you all will able to understand what we are doing here. All right. And if you wanted white label product, it mean you wanted to show your brand, that we are also doing. That can be also done. Any kind of thing. So you guys just focus on scaling your business, making money, not in product and all. That we can take care or we can help you to learn. Both things are here at Euron. That's all you need. Fine. So hope you enjoyed a lot, and this is so cool for me as well. This was the first time the kind of things I have taken live. So many classes I have taken, but yeah, in front of you I have developed in live classes. This sounds really cool. See the kind of power I got with the help of AI. It was very hard for me, but now how easy it's become. With full confidence, I can talk to you. I can do anything, right? And we can discuss each and everything. Fine, guys. Mm. Let me know if anyone is having any questions, or now we can close this class for today, and we'll connect in next live class if anyone is not having any questions or anything right now. Let me make it more. Fine, guys. So it seems no one is having any questions, any doubts. So let me close this stream for today. Let's connect in next stream. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to comment also in this particular video, so I can create so many good videos, live development in front of you. But I want something from you, right? So I can show for the answer, sir, na, okay, people want it. We are in demand now. I'll give it everything, guys. Like whatever I'm learning, how I'm doing. I'll help you to do learn all these things, make money, save time. But we need your support also, right? To make it happen. Fine then. Thank you all to join. I hope you all enjoyed. I think I feel myself also I enjoyed a lot. But yeah, let's connect in next class. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment after once the video is ended about what topic, what development you want, so we can take that use cases also in a real time. Fine. Let's make it more cool. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.